gonna be ready for the summer with this color. Wow. I'm sure you guys can see that. My goodness. Okay guys, welcome back. I have to fix these colors. So I'm trying a new brand of semi-permanent color. You guys already know that my favorite brand, Beyond Zone, has been discontinued. So I've been settling for Artic Fox, and I'm realizing that this color, Artic Fox that is, it just does not have staying power. Now, Artic Fox, I like it because it has a conditioner-like consistency. It also has a great smell. The application's super easy. It's not messy or anything like that, but I'm just not satisfied with how long the color lasts. And I've been hearing that some colors definitely last longer than others. This brand that I'm trying today is IROIRO, and the colors look very pigmented already. I haven't officially started mixing, but what I want to do is add some conditioner into the mix. I have the Loreal Dream Length Curls Moisture Seal Conditioner with hyaluronic acid and castor oil. Just a random purchase. I saw the hyaluronic acid and decided that I wanted to try it, especially since these pieces are bleached. The extra moisture is not going to hurt it. I'm going to do a different color on each side. I'm going to test the colors. I shouldn't need a lot because honestly, they are just one lock. So definitely don't need a lot of color. But the turquoise and emerald green, they come out in this spout. I think I want a little bit more emerald green. So that's what we're looking like there. And then I'm gonna do, I want a magenta light color. So I'm taking some purple and I think I'm gonna put more pink in the mix. Now I heard their pink is crazy pigmented. Their colors just look, oh my gosh. Their colors are just very pigmented. And the consistency is very smooth. So this is what I'm dealing with here. And I'm gonna throw in the conditioner. Okay, here's what I call the paper test. I usually use a Q-tip and usually a blank sheet of writing paper. In this case, I just used the paper that came with my foil. But I mix the color and then I like to spread it to kind of see what shade I'm gonna get. So if you look on the far left, you see that there's way too much purple. The color is definitely darker. I'm satisfied with the blue color that I got, but then on the third swatch, I decided to add a little bit more pink and the color is a little lighter. So I'm semi-satisfied with it and decided just to go ahead. Okay guys, I'm back. Colors are mixed. I think the paper test really makes a difference in being able to tell your outcome. So make sure you do that. These locks are already wet. If you have low porosity here, wet that thing, okay? Otherwise that color is just not, it's not gonna really penetrate. I heard these colors are super pigmented, so you're really gonna wanna cover your area. Of course, I didn't feel like I've been doing this long enough to kind of gauge my parameters and what is safe and not safe. So yeah. Yeah. This is pigmented. And I'm gonna leave this in for hours. Yeah, it's gonna be in for a while. I'm basically applying. The only thing is that I'm pressing the color in with my fingertips, but there's no special magic here, guys, so I fast forwarded. Okay, onto the blue green. Again, very pigmented. No mess, but I do have a lot of color left over. So can't put it back into the bottles. So that's the one thing with these, at least with the Artic Fox packaging, I can kind of scrape it back into the bottle, but with these, it's not looking possible. So that's one. I know this is, it's kind of a pro though, because this is supposed to be like eco-friendly packaging and everything like that. So I get it, but I feel like I'm wasting product. Okay guys, so I'll be back later with the results.
3 hours later. 3 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm back. And yeah, it's vibrant. I like the combo together. I definitely wanted this to be a little bit more pink. It's giving off more purple, but it's not a shy purple. It's, yeah, I think it will fade. I think it will fade pretty. I just did a retie. And I have so much to say about that retie. Guys, I don't know if I can hold out as long as I thought I could. But that's a whole separate video. Like I took out all my LOC jewelry. I think the only thing that's left is this string. I took out my white string, took out the rock sprinkles, my shells. So. Yeah, but I like the pop. Yeah. It depends on what it fades to. I might just make both of them this color. But it's so rich. The color payoff is worth it. This, we'll see how it fades though. All right guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.